Hello, everyone, and welcome to break 5454 for the 2021 Topps Archive 6 Series Retired Autograph Baseball Card Box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Sunday, September 5th, 2021. It's 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:30 p.m. Central Time, and 8:30 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Emoy 6 spots, Taiwan 2, Costa 1, Wash 11, Abby's Dad 4, JIF with 2, Koyambe 2, it's Walt 2 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times, determine our team or teams for the break. Emoy on top, Walt on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and lucky number 7. Wash on top and bottom. Wash has the Diamondbacks, Walt Braves, Jiff with the Orioles, Abby's Dad Red Sox, Emoy Cubs, White Sox, Koyambe Reds, Emoy Indians, Rockies, Wash Tigers, Astros, Jiff Royals, Kyle's to Angels, Emoy Dodgers, Wash Marlins, Brewers, Twins, Taiwan Mets, Yankees, Abby's Dad Athletics, Koyambe Phillies, Emoy Pirates, Abby's Dad Padres, Wash Giants, Mariners, Walt Cardinals, Wash Rays, Abby's Dad Rangers, Wash Blue Jays, and last but not least, Wash has the Washington Nationals. All sealed up. Good luck. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. And we have a 1 of 1. Wade Boggs, Legends of the Game. Very nice. Very cool. And that is the Boston Red Sox 1 of 1. That is Abby's Dad 61500. Congrats. 5454 in the 2021 Topps Archive 6 Series Retired Baseball Card Box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autographed football jersey. And up next, 54-55 for the 2021 Topps Clearly Authentic Baseball Card Box. Thanks.